Hi everyone, look at this beautiful clay model. Let's make it. It can be perfect for your home decoration. So we are going to make the book first using this white color of clay. We are making lines using this scale. We're also making the cover like this and draw lines inside it using black marker, and look, your book is ready. Now we are going to make flowers and leaves. So we are taking different shades of green clay and make all the leaves like this and put at the center of the book like we are doing here. And look at the details of the leaves. We are going to press all of them and dab inside it like this, and look, it's ready. Let's make rose flower. Now we are going to roll this pink color of clay and make the flower similar way. We're also adding some yellow flower like this, and look at these beautiful flowers. You can also add powder color, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this beautiful house model using clay. Let's make it. First, we are going to make the ground. After this, let's make the large tree. So cover it using this brown clay. Similar way, we are going to add some yellow and brown and orange balls on the top of the tree like this. Similar way, we are going to make the house. So make the house using white and brown clay. Make the doors and windows. Make the chimney as well and put it on the ground like this. After this, we're also adding a little hut. Now we're going to make the veggies for the ground. So we're going to add different veggies like carrot and brinjal. We're also adding these corns. Put it like we're doing here. We're also adding cabbage, and now we are making some mushrooms, pumpkins, and look how pretty these are looking. Finally, we are going to add some tomatoes, and look, it is ready. Now we're also adding some more details like pebbles, pathways, and look, your beautiful house model is ready. Look at this creative clay model. Let's make it. First, we are going to roll this white clay. We are making the book here. Cover it using brown clay. Now we are adding details inside the books. So we are dabbing this little plant inside it using green clay. Similar way, we are adding more details like this sunflower. Cut the leaves, and we are going to add all of them on the plant like this. Dab it inside the book as well. After this, we are going to add more details. We're adding this beautiful cloud shape around it. Now we're adding this wire and put this rainbow cloud on the top of it like this and hang it, and look, your beautiful clay model is ready. Look at this beautiful clay model. Let's make it. Look how pretty this is looking. First, we are going to make the moon shape. So roll this yellow clay and give it a shape of moon. Similar way, we are going to add more details. We're putting it on the top of this cloud. After this, we're going to make the bunny. So roll this white color of clay. Make the body of the bunny like this. Put it on the top of the moon. Now we are making some flowers and dab it inside the moon structure like this. Similar way, we're adding some stars around the moon like we're doing here. We're also making different bunny and dab it inside it, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.